Hey guys, Trent Keller with No Sleep Outdoors. Getting ready to hit the stream. Very beautiful out here. We just got about 3 inches of heavy packed snow. Got my 3-weight here. We're gonna head down there, hook up. Let's get it. Alright guys, so today, got the 3-weight out. Got a beaded woolly bugger, olive. And then I'm running a hare's ear nymph. We're gonna toss her down in here and see what we can catch. Oh, it's got snow. There we go. Oh, I doubled up. I doubled up, no way. I doubled up, guys. I hit a double on this. No, I lost the one. Look at this brookie, guys. Look at this brookie. Look at this brookie. Just look at it. Pretty, just pretty. I had 2 on, I had a smaller one on. Just thumped it. Just perfect. Look at this guy. Thank you, buddy. I'm gonna tell you guys about one thing about me is, yeah, catching the bigger fish is awesome, but it's all about this right here. If I can hold on to him here, this little squirmy. Oh! Catching little kindergartners, my favorite thing in the world. You know, it's just, they're so beautiful when they're that small. It's awesome. You know, it's fun catching the big ones, big pictures, but like, you can't beat fishing in weather like this. Catching fish, it's snowing, absolutely beautiful. I've only had it one other time. That was in April of 2022 when I was out here last, and it was snowing like this, and I caught a bunch too. So, let's get back after it. There we go. Now we got some fish out there. Really pretty. Another nice brookie come out of the depths. Oops. Got a little bit of must have been attacked by something. See you later. He wanted to go, I guess. But it looks like my scud broke off. Well, guys, we got fished out the spot here. It was pretty good. Caught a bunch. A lot of brookies. Nothing else yet. Usually there's a couple rainbows and 1 brown or 2 you might catch there. No. But we're gonna go meet up with Dylan Lantz. Meet up with him. Fish his dam a little bit. See if we can catch some bigger rainbows. Hooked into one that was pretty nice the other day. So. All right, we're back down to the second spot here with Dylan Lantz.
Dylan Lantz, No Sleep Outdoors.
No Sleep Outdoors. We're gonna hit our second spot down here at our second dam that we hit. Let's see if we can catch some rainbows down here. Let's get it. That's a nice one. Is that a brookie?
Yep.
Hell yeah. You don't catch them up here very often, huh?
Usually rainbows. Nice little fins, actually. Pretty colorful for this time.
He's dark, yeah.
I see more of like the brighter colors towards fall usually with the brook trout. With the rainbows, it's more. Right now, the rainbows are brighter. You got me a little pencil up here, but
He slammed it.
you wanted it. Yeah, we're just using kind of like a little scud imitation sort of thing. Little pan in there.
We're moving up and dragging this fly across the dam here quick. Oh, it's a really pretty one actually. It's a stud. Oh my gosh. You're terrible. Here, I'll hold that for you.
My first time being a net man.
Here, I'll hold that for you. You got it?
Nice stud rainbow.
It's a good one.
You gonna let me take this fly out alright? We have to do a little surgery. Like the stud that you caught and missed
Yeah?
the other day. Let me see if I can't get them all. Oh, come on, buddy.
Oh, he's,
Nice rainbow. God.
look at the color on that.
Oh yeah. Back to the drink. Come on, buddy. Now, where you going? Good thing we brought the net this time.
I'm Trent Keller,
I'm Dylan Lantz.
and this is the No Sleep Outdoors Hangover.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna review some of the key points of the video.
Well, I started off at my dam over in, we'll call it X. No, that way our spots don't get hit. All day I've been just staring at it because I work right across from it. Just staring at it. It was just, in the morning, it wasn't much snow, and all of a sudden just a blizzard happened. Snow, we had 3 inches in a matter of 2 hours. And I've been like, I texted him, and then all day I've been like, getting after him,
Yeah,
like,
you wanna go, bro?
we need to fish, we need to fish. So I was like, and I was planning on coming over here to fish anyways. So I was like, well, I'm going to hit my spot first, just real quick.
Just kind of see what you can pull out quick.
Right, yeah, just so I can see what I can pull out quick. So I went down there, and I mean, within 5 minutes, I hit that double. That was pretty cool. One small brookie, and then a little bit bigger brookie. After that, just a bunch of kindergartners just smacking it. I mean, they were after that little scud fly.
Yeah,
I mean,
that little scud.
They were after it for sure.
So we met up, got some dinner, and then we decided to come down to, we'll call it Spot A.
Spot A.
And Spot A, right away, we're using like little scuds. I think Trent was fishing with a rig, more like with a leech, or a small streamer and a fly. It's just kind of like a scud imitation. Got one right here. It's not necessarily a scud. This would be more of an olive. I don't know if you guys can see that.
Yeah.
Just real small, but it's got kind of a fuzzy body. and I actually ran out of my scuds fishing, so that was my backup go-to. But I like to try to cast into right off the edge of where the water is boiling, where you get your little white waters there, and it always seems to work out pretty good. Same with like creek fishing. You want to look when you're not fishing your inside bends or your outside bends. You want to try to aim for like just where the water's going calm. That way I can drift my fly into a calmer, so right in the feeding zone.
Especially when you're throwing a lighter fly, you want to hit like the edges, because otherwise that lighter fly will just get tossed and they won't be able to grab it too much.
Yeah, it'll just whip through where it won't get down.
They won't be able to see it. I mean, they'll see it, but they're not quick enough to swim out, grab it like they like to do. That's why I like throwing my rig. I have a heavier woolly bugger with a bead, and then I tie my little scud on top, and then it drops down. It's a haresy or nymph is what it's called, really. But so it drops it. It drops it faster in the ripples right there. Like I can hit more.
Gets it down quicker,
I can get it center of it, and then it'll
let it flow back.
It'll flow through nice instead of getting ripped through there. But we definitely caught some brookies today.
Yep. Usually I catch more rainbows down here, but brookies. I caught the one nice rainbow, and that was it.
Yeah.
And I kind of caught him right up the center. Yeah.
Same spot. That was so funny.
He missed the nice one.
And I didn't even get the picture of you or the video of you hooking into it. I was like trying. I don't know. I think I hit pause, and then I was like doing something, and all of a sudden I look over because we were walking over to the next ripples, and he was just drifting it through as he was walking through, and all of a sudden I see his rod just keel over. So
it was probably like a 13-inch rainbow.
Yeah,
it was nice.
And it had some nice color to it too. It was really pretty rainbow. Like this time, early spring, they're always so full of color.
Yeah, which is weird because like even that one brook trout you caught was actually pretty colorful and bright orange on the
some rips
fins.
into it. That's like the one I caught in Pigeon today.
Yeah.
It was all ripped up in northerns but it was like, and then the one I caught down here also had a little bit of a kind of like something was getting after it. So.
Yeah.
But like, this is what I carry around. I got like a front pouch. It's from Fish Pond. I just got it this year. Clippers, and it's got a fold down work tray with all my flies in it. I got a bunch of dries in there, all my woolly buggers, my nymphs, and I got one really heavy one for faster current that I found actually in my camera bag.
Here's a rundown of my fly box, I guess, quick. Some of it might fall out, but just a cheap ice fishing box. I'm not as technical as Trent. I just have some of my terrestrials and some of my copper nymphs, my pheasant tails, a lot of smaller scud imitations. But there's certain, so like there's a lot of olives in here, just a bunch of little things.
You got like a little frog in there too, or what?
Yeah, this is one of my terrestrials. It's
kind of a weird one there.
Yeah, it's weird. It's almost like a crawfish.
Where'd you get that one? Driftless?
I like to get mine from Driftless. Yeah. See, we got the weedless pieces, so that way I can float on top, so I can take it bass fishing too if I really wanted to, or other things.
Right. Yeah, top water.
Yeah.
Really sweet. Yeah.
But like if you got weeds around trout streams, it does nice. Like the grass is flowing, you can kind of bring it through them, and it's
especially early spring when the frogs are.
Well, early to late springs, and a lot of times you see the little ones floating around. Yeah. It does pretty good usually. Perfect. When fish are aggressive and the water temps warm up a little bit.
Yeah. So what's the plan for this weekend? What are we dishing out?
Might have to do some shooting videos or some fishing videos. We're not sure yet. We'll see what the weather brings, really.
Yeah, we don't know if we're gonna go chase some big browns, or maybe do
some sky blasting.
Maybe both. Shoot some pigeons.
Do a pigeon catch and cook.
Right.
Maybe in there.
Okay. Not at the dairy farms. They're not good. They don't not taste good.
Go find some more spots.
Yeah. Go. The Amish farms are where you want to do it.
Yeah, Amish birds always taste better.
Yeah, they always. Amish pigeons are like the best. They don't eat a bunch of cow poop or nothing. They just they don't just live in manure. Like,
turkey season's coming up. I'm pretty stoked about that.
I'll have to get one filmed on that. That'll be sweet.
Smack it. So we should do a thing where we can put in. Do you guys want to see scoot and shoot, or do you want to see still hunting or stalking turkeys?
I got my RC car too. We could put a decoy on top of that. Actually,
isn't
that illegal here?
I don't know.
I think it is. I think it's.
They're making them now like that though.
Yeah,
you see it on TikTok?
I think that's more of like Kentucky type stuff though.
Yeah.
Definitely, but we're supposed to wrap this up, otherwise it'd be too long.
Yeah.
But
still Lance.
Trent Keller.
This is No Sleep.
Yeah. Stay tuned for more videos.
This is No Sleep Outdoors.
Thank you.
Have a good one. Take care. Tell your folks I said hi. I don't know.